Last winter, I watched a guy fry a $300 ignition coil because he didn't know what a $6 can could have done in 60 seconds. 3 million drivers break down every year, not from worn parts, but from skipping simple chemistry. Tonight, 13 moments where WD-40 stops disaster cold. Not hacks, verified applications that work because the science is bulletproof. Same can, smarter rules. Let's roll. Trick number 1, the engine that wouldn't wake up. 6 a.m. already late. You turn the key, engine cranks but won't fire. Battery's fine. Lights work, radio plays, but zero spark reaching the cylinders. Here's what you can't see. Rainwater from last night crept into your spark plug boots, scattering electrical current everywhere except where it belongs. Pop the hood. Spray WD-40 heavy on every coil pack and plug wire. Wait 90 seconds while the petroleum distillate forces water out. Turn the key. Roars to life. Data confirms this saves the tow 8 out of 10 times. Stash a can in your glove box. Humidity strikes without warning. You just saved $200 in your morning. Water kills engines fast. But ice? Ice locks you out completely. Trick number 2. Frozen solid at 5 degrees. February morning. 5 degrees outside. You're twisting your key harder, nothing. Ice expanded inside the lock cylinder, jamming every pin like concrete. Force it and snap. Key breaks clean off. 200 for an emergency locksmith. Or do this. Aim the WD-40 straw straight into the keyhole. 2-second spray. The formula flows at 60 below zero. Spec sheet confirmed. Wait 30 seconds while it melts ice and coats the pins. Turn gently. Slides open like summer. Wipe excess. Follow with silicone spray so tomorrow's different. One habit prevents a dozen frozen mornings. Frozen metal is stubborn, but rusted metal? That nearly broke me. Trick number 3, the bolt that refused to quit. Under a truck, exhaust work. One rusted bolt between me and done. I'm pulling. Wrench slips. Knuckles hit frame. 20 minutes and I'm one move from snapping the head off. Here's the truth. Rust isn't dirt. It's iron oxide welding threads at the molecular level. Brute force just breaks things. Spray WD-40 directly on it. Walk away. 15 minutes minimum, longer for exhaust manifold bolts. The liquid uses capillary action to crawl deep, dissolving rust scale from inside. Come back. Tap the bolt head with a hammer. Vibration cracks the oxide bond. Use a 6-point socket. 50% more grip than 12-point. Turns smooth. For nasty ones, upgrade to coil. Penetrates twice as fast per machinist workshop tests. In a pinch, this wins. Breaking rust is hard. Stopping it, way easier. Trick number 4, the rot nobody sees coming. Rust starts silent. Under your car, moisture meets bare metal in the dark. 3 months later, your highway speed and a suspension bolt snaps. I've seen it. Not dramatic until it is. After every wash, get under there. Spray WD-40 on exposed metal, suspension arms, subframe bolts, jack points. That hydrocarbon film blocks oxygen and water, the only 2 things rust needs. ASTM salt spray test proves salt accelerates corrosion 5 times faster. Reapply every 90 days near the coast. Not permanent protection. For that, you'd use fluid film. But seasonal defense buys you years. Metal rots slow. Electrical problems? They hit fast and expensive. Trick number 5, the connector that cost nearly $1,000. Dashboard lights up like Christmas. Random codes. Check engine light flashing. I'm thinking O2 sensor, maybe mass airflow. Pull codes. Nothing makes sense. Then I spot it. Moisture inside the coil pack connector. Barely visible. Enough to scramble signals and trigger chaos. Golden rule, never spray WD-40 on MAF sensors or O2 sensors. Petroleum residue lies to your computer. But weatherproof connectors, headlight plugs, trailer connections, coil packs, disconnect, spray lightly, wait 60 seconds, reconnect. The film stops galvanic corrosion, dissimilar metals creating current that eats themselves alive. For battery terminals, skip WD-40 entirely. Batteries vent hydrogen gas and sparks near that end badly. Use anti-corrosion spray instead. Know the line. 5-minute fix versus $1,000 nightmare. Electrical gremlins hide. Adhesive problems? Those stare you in the face. Trick number 6, the sticker that wouldn't surrender. Used car. Dealer slapped their sticker on the bumper. You peel. Now ugly adhesive residue won't budge. You scrub. You scrape. Now you've scratched your clear coat. Stop. That glue is pressure-sensitive adhesive. Acrylic or rubber polymers bonding mechanically. WD-40's mineral spirits dissolve polymers without attacking acrylic urethane paint. Pure chemistry. Spray the mess. Wait 2 minutes. Peel slowly. Stubborn? Repeat. Use plastic scraper, never metal. Works on glass, chrome, paint. Gone. Wash with car soap. Oily film attracts dirt otherwise. 5 minutes, 0 damage, 0 regrets. Adhesive comes off. Metal friction? That announces itself loud. Trick number 7, the squeak that wouldn't stop. Every single time you open the door, squeak. Not annoying, dangerous. That's metal-on-metal friction grinding your hinge pin's case-hardened surface away. Ignore it a year and the pin develops play. Door sags, wind noise starts. $400 hinge replacement stares you down. Spray WD-40 into the hinge barrel. Swing the door 10 times. Wipe drips. Silence. Coefficient of friction just dropped from 0.6 to 0.2. Grinding became gliding. Reality check evaporates in 2 weeks. Permanent fix? Follow with white lithium grease or silicone spray. Lasts 6 months. Quarterly habit. Your door never betrays you again. Squeaks betray slowly. Road grime attacks instantly. Trick number 8, the tar I couldn't escape. Highway construction, fresh asphalt. You drive through. Black tar stripe now decorates your rocker panel. Won't wash, won't wipe. You scrub, spreading it, scratching paint. You're fighting petroleum asphalt that's softened at 160 degrees and fused to your finish. Scraping makes it worse. WD-40's aliphatic hydrocarbons dissolve it without touching clear coat. Spray directly. Wait 60 seconds. Wipe with microfiber, never paper towels. Repeat if needed. Wash immediately with car soap to kill the oily residue. 5 minutes. Stain to smooth. No scratches. No stress. Tar stains instantly. Window motors? They die slowly, then suddenly. Trick number 9, the window that gave up halfway. Driver's window. You hit the button. Goes up. Slower. Slower. Stops halfway. Hit again. Nothing. Motor clicking, but glass won't move. Most blame the window motor. $350 repair. Truth, 9 times out of 10 it's dirt packed in metal tracks, forcing the motor to pull double amperage until it burns out. Window all the way down. Spray WD-40 along inner tracks. Cycle 5 times. Instant smooth. Catch. WD-40 dries rubber seals over time. Finish with silicone spray on weather stripping. Twice yearly. Bosch electrical specs say your window motor should draw 4 to 6 amps. Dirty tracks push past 10. Lubrication here isn't looks, it's survival. Motors fail electrical. Seals fail environmental. Trick number 10, the seal that let the rain win. You're driving, rains. Water drips from the door top onto your lap. Your door weather stripping should stop that. But UV radiation broke down the EPDM rubber over years. Now it's hard, cracked, useless. WD-40 softens rubber temporarily and stops doors freezing shut in winter. Film prevents ice bonding. Spray on a rag, wipe seals. Long-term protection? 303 Aerospace Protectant has UV inhibitors preventing polymer breakdown. Every 3 months in extreme climates. Your seals flex 50,000 times over the car's life. Keep them supple, they outlast the loan. Seals fail slow. Spark plug boots? They trap you fast. Trick number 11, the boot that nearly cost me $300. Tune-up time. Grab the spark plug boot. Pull won't budge. Pull harder. Rips off clean. Worse, ceramic insulator cracks. Breaks off inside the cylinder head. Now you're extracting ceramic fragments with magnets and prayers. 300 if lucky, 5 if not. Heat cycling up to 900 degrees welded that boot to ceramic over years. Spray WD-40 around the base. Wait 5 minutes. Twist while pulling. Rotation brake seals. Still stuck? Heat gun at 150 degrees, 30 seconds. Try again. Installing new boots? Coat inside with dielectric grease. Prevents seizing, improves spark conductivity, saves $15 plug from nightmare status. Small parts hide big problems. Like screws nobody checks. Trick number 12. The screws I had to drill out. Cop pulls you over. Taillight out. Walks to front. Plate's unreadable. Screws so rusted, corrosion bled onto the plate. You try removing them, won't turn. Head strip. You're drilling. That's galvanic corrosion. Steel screw meets aluminum frame in road salt, creating an electrochemical reaction, welding them permanent. Spray WD-40 on plate screws twice yearly. Scrub with brass brush, not steel, leaves particles accelerating rust. Hydrocarbon film blocks, salt. Better? Stainless steel screws with nylon washers, solves forever. 90 seconds prevents roadside disaster. Fasteners seize outside. Tools rust inside. Trick number 13, the tools that rusted overnight. Socket set left on the workbench. Next morning, orange dust everywhere. Surface oxidation from humidity. Coastal areas, 48 hours maximum. That's ferric oxide forming porous layers that spread fast. Rust doesn't just look bad, weakens metal grain structure up to 20%. Seized sockets, stuck ratchets, corroded threads. After every use, light WD-40 mist. Wipe excess. Petroleum barrier blocks oxygen and moisture. Long-term storage, VCI paper, weekly tools. 10-second habit keeps chrome shining, threads cutting clean. Protect what you paid for, because today's tool saves money. Tomorrow's costs double. 13 moments, 13 saves. Notice the viral tricks that fry sensors and wreck paint didn't make the cut? Intentional. These work because these standards, ASTM tests, Bosch specs back them. Not guesswork. Drop your car's year and make below. I'll adjust the trick for your engine. You just learned what works, why it works, when to stop. And if you thought that was interesting, wait till you see the trick that makes your car battery last 10 years. Tap the end screen right now.